guys, it's Kate. Welcome to your first class back in 2016. All right, so today we're going to learn Adobe Photoshop in Lightroom, or we're going to start learning them. First thing that we need to do is make sure that you have everything correctly downloaded. Okay, so you are listening to this tutorial, hopefully, on your laptop, on your headphones. Everybody's going to go at a different pace, so don't worry if you see your neighbor doing something different. But if you have a question, raise your hand and the teacher will come over and help you. You can pause this video at any time and raise your hand, okay? All right, so the first thing that we want to do is download and install Adobe Creative Cloud. Now, if you have done this and you know that it's installed, go ahead and open up Lightroom, and you can just start the next video tutorial. Okay, so you can go ahead and just close this down and open up the next video and get started because you're already done. If for some reason you go to open Lightroom and it won't open, come back to this video because you probably don't have it installed. All right, so the first thing you want to do, if you haven't done it already, is go to adobe.com. See this address up here? Okay, so get out a web page and go to adobe.com. Now, pause the video right now if you need a couple of extra seconds to just get the web page out and everything. I'm going to go straight through, but if you ever need to, just pause. Okay, so you're going to go to adobe.com. You're going to click sign in, and it will take you to the page where you sign in with your Adobe ID. Okay? If you don't know what that Adobe ID is, then you need to text your mom or dad right now and figure that out. Okay? They probably have it in their email if they signed you up already. Okay, so when you sign in, you will get a page that looks like this. Okay, so here I am, all signed in. Yay! All right, so I have already downloaded Adobe Creative Cloud. But if you haven't, you're going to click on Desktop Downloads. All right, and then you're going to download Creative Cloud right here. Now, what should have happened is that your parents should have signed you up for a monthly subscription to this app. This app is called Creative Cloud. Okay, go ahead and click download that. All right, if that has already happened, so if you click download and you hadn't downloaded it already, it will start downloading now. On Macs, it'll go to your downloads folder right here. And then on PCs, it will also be in your downloads folder, but you'll just come down to the left and click on Start and find your downloads folder. Okay, so this will take a million years to download, so I'm not going to do it. But here are the steps, okay, if you haven't downloaded it already. Okay, so you're going to download the Creative Cloud app, okay? Once the .dmg file is in your downloads folder, click on that file, okay? You'll probably double click on it. Okay, and then do whatever it says. Okay, you are installing Creative Cloud. Okay, so go ahead and do this. If you haven't done it, if your parents haven't done it already, it's going to take a minute. All right, so once you've done that, somewhere on your computer, you'll get a little thing like this. See this little big infinity thing? Okay, that is the Creative Cloud logo. In Macs, it usually sits up top here. And then on PCs, I believe it'll go to your desktop. All right, so you need to sign in first. You have to tell Creative Cloud that you are here and you are ready to use this app. All right, so the same Adobe ID that you used on getting in over here, you're going to use to get into Creative Cloud. Okay, so we'll just sign in. And it'll sign us in. All right, so I am abroad right now, and so mine's not pulling up. But basically, once you sign in, oh, there it goes. Once you sign in, and this white space right here will be all the things that come with Creative Cloud, including Photoshop and Lightroom. Okay, you're going to see these two logos in a list of things right here. I want you to click Install for Photoshop and for Lightroom. I would suggest doing one at a time. Okay, so click on the Install button for Lightroom, and then just wait. It might take up to like 20 minutes to download and install it. And then once you're done with that, click on the Photoshop one and download and install that. Okay, so this is the end of this video. We're at the end of the installation. Oh, there they are, okay. So it'll be under Apps, and you'll just see download and install. If this loads quick enough, I'll show you what it looks like. But basically now you're gonna have to wait for everything to install. Hopefully it'll go pretty quick over the network at school, but until they download and install, you can't really do anything, okay? So when they download and install, go over to the second video that the substitute teacher will give you, and we're gonna get started on Lightroom. If you've already done this, if this is already cooking, and you have either these two are on your dock, or they're somewhere on your desktop, or if you see them in your applications. Oops. So basically these are shortcuts, right, to programs that are installed in your applications. So on Mac, you just go to the Finder and then you click on Applications. Okay, so Finder, Applications. If you can't find applications, just search in your box, your search box. And then on PCs, you can go to Start, which will be on the left-hand corner here, and go to Programs. And then what you should see is this square with LR in it for Lightroom. And then mine has foldered it. I'm not really sure why. So there's a Adobe Photoshop CC folder, and then there's the program. Okay, clicking on this square or this square will open up the actual program. Okay, but I dragged those from applications to my dock, and so I can just click on them from here. All right, so when you are ready and you're all installed, close out this video and go on to video 2. All right, guys, see you in video 2.